Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add goals to transition effect in CapCut for PC. So for example, you can select your videos already selected. I'm just going to add this what test images and go to transition, select light effect and you can find it goes through and it is a new transition effect from CapCut, but this is pro effect. You have to join Pro first to be able to use this effect. So after you download it, just add to the track and adjust the duration. And I'm just going to apply it to all the clip and see the final result. That's it. You can also add a effect, select horizontal place to and see for the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.